Here's another one that I had an alert go off when it fell to the downside. I don't necessarily like the setup on this chart because it's really broken and it really hasn't had any time to kind of turn the moving averages and show that it's kind of going to make an upward recovery. But one thing I do like that I've kept an eye on for a little while is that I see that through here for the past, and this is a daily chart, so let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 10 days. For the past 10 days, it's past the 5-6 day rule, whatever. For the past 10 days, it looks like it's held a little bit, and even with the market getting crushed the last couple of days, this has not been really bad. This has been actually fairly decent considering the markets have been hammered for the last 2 days. And so maybe the selling is over on this. This is strictly just a risk versus reward play. This isn't really a setup on the charts that I like. So the stop would be, let's say, below 124 at the lows, and actually I'd probably put that, I'm going to put it at like 122. I'm not going to accept much risk on this whatsoever, and it's actually at 123, so just a penny below the lows. If this thing were to turn, I would just get out and get out of the way, and then it's definitely a no-go. But we can see here from the charting, this has been in a huge downward trend, and it had this big drop from about $4.40 just all the way just killed down here. So it looks like it had a little bounce here, and this is $1.89. So there's really nothing that I'm going to watch in particular because, like I said, this is a huge window. But maybe if we've got half of that, or a portion of that, I'm going to say right about, or maybe this moving average would turn into about $2.50 some cents. I'm going to go with that, and then this here at a dollar. Let's see where we're at, $1.93, which looks like it almost tagged that here earlier on that spike a few days back at $1.93, and then midway through at $2.52. This is a very risky play, but if you put the stops in place, that's just a way to play it. I'm just looking at this area that's maybe been some consolidation for the last 10 days, and maybe this would have a bounce up. But this is definitely something more on the risky end. But for the price of an option, risk versus reward, I think it's there. Just another opportunity to look at, and if they do recover a little bit, even if it's just a bit of a bounce, this could be a nice little play for some decent reward. So just another one I found.